let's write a budget. So, who knows how to write a budget?
I do! We normally divide the budget into 3 parts.
Saving, spending, and giving, right?
Yeah! That's how we elephants do it too!
My parents' budget looks like this. The spending column includes rent, bills like electricity and water, school fees, groceries, and so on. Giving includes donations for good causes, or in case we need to help a friend in need. And saving?
Saving for unforeseen events, like sickness, and for future investments, of course. I am always saving money from the market.
Never miss out on new Ubongo Kids videos ever again. Subscribe today and become the first to know every time new fun educational content is available. Simply type Ubongo Kids English on the search bar. Click on the Ubongo Kids English channel page. Click subscribe on the right-hand corner of your screen. What are you waiting for? You are 3 easy steps away from joining the Ubongo Kids family.